It's the weekend already, but I still feel like I just ran a full marathon this whole week, Alex.
I knew it. You're always complaining about being tired, yet you still look absolutely glowing. How was your routine this week?
Total chaos, like spaghetti. Wake up late, scarf down lunch, stretch the night out with my phone. What about you?
The opposite. This week I tried a more serious lifestyle. Up at 6 a.m. Warm water, 30-minute walk.
6 a.m.? Were you actually awake or just sleepwalking?
For real. It was tough at first, but then it felt nice. Every morning in the park, just looking at the trees made it worth it.
I'm impressed. I want to wake up early too, but my alarm and I have an understanding. It's more of a suggestion than a command.
Haha, exactly. Your alarm probably thinks, here we go again, getting snoozed.
Yep. Some days I set 7 alarms and turn them all off like I'm switching off lights.
So what time does your morning actually start?
Around 9. That's the sweet spot where I don't feel guilty.
And then what do you do?
First, I sit and stare into space for 5 minutes to boot up my brain. Then I make coffee. Honestly, that first sip every morning, it's like hitting the reset button on life.
Nice. I drink warm water before coffee. Wakes the stomach up.
No wonder you're healthy. Me? I'm a caffeine-dependent life form.
Lily, 90% coffee, 10% soul.
You say that and I can't even argue.
But besides coffee, do you have any fixed routine?
Oh, yeah. Every night I tell myself, Lily, sleep early tomorrow. Then one meh rolls around and I go, tomorrow me will handle it.
I saw that coming. You texted me at 1:31 yesterday.
I sent sleep early, okay? To motivate you. Not because I was actually sleeping.
Haha, I knew it.
Speaking of daily routines, I have to tell you about my disastrous Tuesday morning.
What happened now?
I walked out the door and only then realized I was wearing 2 completely different slippers, one house slipper and one outdoor slipper.
How did you not notice while walking?
My brain was still asleep. After a few steps, I felt my feet weren't matching.
Good thing you caught it early.
Not over yet. I went back to change, then grabbed the TV remote instead of my phone.
Lily? Oh, Lily?
I don't get myself either. Who puts a remote in their bag first thing in the morning?
You though, nobody else.
That's why I say, my daily routine is organized chaos.
I don't even know whether to worry or feel sorry for you.
Feel sorry. No need to worry. I'm used to it. Just a little sad sometimes, standing in front of my apartment holding a remote, wondering, where is my life going?
You're the entertainment package of my life.
You? Any chaos this week?
Yep. I accidentally put salt in my smoothie.
Why salt?
I thought it was sugar.
Both are white, sure, but sugar doesn't clump like salt does.
I wasn't awake yet.
Don't blame the morning. Blame fate. It sounds classier.
You just shut down all my excuses.
Did you drink it?
I tried. And almost cried.
I wish I'd filmed your face.
Trust me, you'd laugh for 7 years straight.
That's why we click. One side chaos, one side discipline, yet we still meet here at the park every weekend.
Yeah, to tell each other these ridiculous stories.
Today's no different. These little daily moments are the funniest. Life isn't perfect, but when you tell the stories, they sound amazing.
Because there's someone to tell them to. Alone, nobody would get why it's hilarious.
Exactly. Like this morning, I saw a cat sprawled in the middle of the road, sun blazing on its face, and it just didn't care. I stood there watching for a full minute.
Why?
To learn its whatever attitude toward life.
Haha, careful. You'll end up setting 9 alarms tomorrow.
Nope. 9 it is.
I give up.
But hey, no matter how different our routines are, sitting here chatting every weekend has become part of the routine, right?
Absolutely. The most relaxing routine of the week.
Same spot next week?
Definitely, as long as you don't bring the remote again.
No promises.
Fine, fine.
Enough about daily life. Work talk now. How was your week?
How do I put it? If there's no stress, it wasn't my work week.
Sounds heavy. What was the worst part?
Meetings at the start of the week, meetings in the middle, almost meetings at the end.
Good heavens. Is your company addicted to meetings?
Seems like it. We finish a meeting, then have another meeting to summarize the first one.
Haha, a meeting to recap the meeting? Peak efficiency.
Right? Some days I look at the calendar and want to shut down completely.
Ever zone out during a meeting and mentally escape to this park?
All the time. Especially when people argue for 30 minutes over the slide background color.
30 minutes? Just for a color?
Yep. Someone wants green, someone wants white, someone wants green-white blend exactly 8%.
8%? Sounds like a milk tea recipe.
Haha, that's exactly how it felt.
My condolences. Office life sometimes tires the brain more than the body.
How about you? Work okay?
Okay, in the sense of nonstop noise.
Noise from customers or colleagues?
Both. My boss talks like he's rapping. Colleagues keep asking, Lily, is this done yet?
What do you say?
In my heart, it's done. In real life, I'm working on it.
Haha, bold.
Bold in my head only. Out loud, I smile sweetly. Almost done, sir.
That's the real Lily.
But something fun, we got a new employee this week. Super polite guy.
That's good, right?
Yes, but over the top polite. I asked, You okay? He stood up and bowed 45 degrees. Yes, ma'am, I'm fine.
Whoa. Is what am on that
I asked, Need help with anything? Another 45-degree bow. Thank you very much, ma'am.
His neck must be in great shape.
I'm scared he'll need physical therapy soon.
Does he actually get work done?
He does. Just a bit. Intensely polite. We need polite people, not constant bowing robots.
My office is the opposite. Very few bows, but lots of people bowing to deadlines.
Haha. Bowing to deadlines, perfect description.
Every week has its own brand of drama.
My biggest drama this week was the printer.
The printer betrayed you again?
Not just betrayed, it rebelled. I stood there 10 minutes pressing buttons. Nothing. A colleague walks by, presses once, prints perfectly.
Classic machine karma.
Karma, nothing. It just hates me.
Or maybe you pressed the wrong button.
Don't you dare blame me. I pressed correctly. It just treated me like I was invisible.
All right. The printer's at fault.
Then my boss walks past, asks, Problem, Lily? Printer suddenly works like it got a new soul.
It saw the boss coming and decided to behave.
I officially hate that machine. I looked like a total clown.
Still, hearing you tell work stories always feels so perfectly Lily, chaotic but fun.
That's me. Stressful yet enjoyable.
Mine's just stressful, no enjoyment. Deadlines breathing down my neck, endless emails.
Ever draft an email and forget the attachment?
Once, I even wrote attachment below, and there was nothing below.
Oh no, that's legendary.
My boss replied with exactly 3 words. Where's the file?
Your boss is savage.
I stared at that email and wanted to shut down my life and move to the countryside.
I once sent an email to the wrong person, way worse.
Who did you send it to?
Meant to send the task list to my team leader. Ended up sending it to the building security guard.
Oh my God.
The guard texted back, Miss, wrong person, and added a smiling emoji.
At least he was nice about it.
Still mildly humiliating.
On a week that exhausting, ever just want to drop everything and take a few days off?
Every single day.
Haha, really?
But then I remember money exists, so back to work.
Same here. No matter how tired, sitting here with you on weekends cuts the exhaustion in half.
Yep. Weekdays are the hard mode. Weekends here are easy mode.
That actually makes perfect sense.
Anything you want to improve next week?
Fewer meetings. But I know that's impossible.
Keep dreaming.
You?
I want the printer to respect me more. That's all.
Tough ask, but good luck.
Thanks.
No matter how tough work gets, chatting like this on weekends lightens everything, doesn't it?
Totally. Especially having someone to share the ridiculous moments with.
I'm always ready to listen.
Same spot next week?
Of course. Hearing your work stories makes my whole day.
Same here. It's like detox after a week of work.
Let's keep it that way.
These past few weeks, I've felt society is kinda chaotic, you know?
Yeah, for real. Scroll anywhere and it's a mix of happy, sad, and mind-boggling stories.
I often watch community news. This week, something really stuck with me.
What was it?
Yesterday, I saw a clip of a ride-hailing driver soaked from the rain. The customer yelled at him for being late. I felt so bad for him.
Yeah, small things like that can hit you hard.
Sometimes, society moves faster than we can breathe. Everyone's rushing, getting cranky and short-tempered.
I feel that. The other day on the bus, an elderly person got on. Plenty of people saw, but nobody stood up. I gave my seat, and the old man kept thanking me.
You're so kind.
Not really kind, just thought, if I don't do it, who will?
Speaking of society, this week I also saw something sad, but in a cute way.
Sad but cute?
I was walking in the park near my place and saw a little girl crying because she dropped her ice cream. I asked what was wrong, she said. My ice cream fell and nobody picked it up for me.
Well, it was on the ground.
I told her that, but she kept crying. So I bought her a new one.
Happy ending?
Nope. She wiped her tears and said, "Thanks, Auntie, but this one's a different flavor."
Haha, kids are brutally honest.
I laughed too. Kids think in the cutest, most heart attack-inducing ways.
I've got a funny one, but weird funny.
Tell me.
The other day I was having coffee near the office. An old man ran up and asked, "Young man, where did you buy that shirt?"
Complimenting your style?
Nope, he wanted to buy the same one, for his dog.
Haha, oh my God, the courage to ask?
I froze for 3 seconds, but still told him where.
You're too nice, even after he basically said your shirt is dog-sized.
Yeah, slight ego bruise, but whatever.
If it fits a dog, that means it's cute.
Stop comforting me like that.
But that's society full of surprises.
On the sad side, a friend told me he saw a little girl selling lottery tickets get yelled at for giving one ticket short. She was shaking with fear.
That hurts just hearing it.
Luckily, a woman stepped in, defended her, and bought all her tickets.
So heartwarming. Society always has two faces, one exhausting, one warming.
Exactly. Every act of kindness reminds me not everything is bad.
Last week I saw a delivery guy help a blind elderly woman cross the street. No one asked. He just ran over and guided her.
Those moments are truly beautiful.
I think if we were all just a little gentler with each other, life would be so much easier to breathe.
Totally agree. When you're tired, one kind word can lift half the weight.
You know, I once got scolded by an old man for standing in the wrong line. I tried explaining. He wouldn't listen. I felt awful.
If I'd been there, I'd have defended you instantly.
Knew you'd say that.
But then a girl in the line tapped my shoulder and said, "It's okay, sis, everyone messes up the line sometimes." One sentence and my sadness vanished.
Yeah, gentle words are powerful.
Absolutely.
Don't you feel society is a bit too noisy lately? Everyone arguing, everyone competing.
I do. But I think it's because everything moves so fast and everyone's under pressure. Still, plenty of people live slowly and beautifully, they're just quieter.
I love that take. Good people haven't disappeared. They're just silent.
Right. And I think we can add a little something too. Live kindly, gently, spread a bit of positivity.
You mean be the good person in a busy world?
Pretty much.
I'm in. Honestly, just not hurting anyone and not snapping for no reason is already huge.
Exactly.
Society gets sad when people forget the little things affect each other.
And happy because some people still remember.
Like you.
And you.
Stop, I'm shy.
No shyness allowed with me.
Thanks to all these mixed society stories, we get to sit here and share them.
Yeah, and because of that, each week feels a little less shaky.
If I see something sad out there, I'll tell you next time.
I'm always here to listen.
And the funny ones you have to tell me right away. I love your ridiculous stories.
Promise.
Sitting here on weekends, talking about things that seem random but touch the heart, it really feels good.
Same for me. In a world full of pressure, we have this little peaceful corner right on this stone bench.
Same place next week?
Definitely.
I'll keep telling you the stories I run into. So you know the world still has plenty of strange, wonderful things.
And I'll do the same, the two of us telling each other. It's become a habit.
A lovely habit.
Yeah. A habit that makes life feel lighter.